In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Steam game in beta mode. By the end, you'll know exactly how to opt into a beta build for a game you own, what to expect during the update, and how to launch it once everything is ready. Start by opening the Steam desktop app. Give it a moment to load your home screen so everything is up to date. Once Steam is ready, move to your library, where all your games are listed. You'll usually find Library at the top of the window. Click it to view your collection. If you have a lot of titles, take a second to locate the game you want to try in beta. The search bar can make that easier, but the exact game list works just fine. Next, right-click the game's title in your library. This opens a context menu with a set of options specific to that game. From here, click Properties. A settings window for the game will appear, and this is where you control things like updates, controller support, and the beta options we need. Inside the Properties window, go to the Betas tab. You'll see a section with a drop-down menu that lists any available beta branches for that game. Open the drop-down and select the beta version you want to use. The names vary by developer. You might see terms like public beta, experimental, or preview. Keep in mind that betas can include unfinished features and known issues, so they may be less stable than the standard release. If you don't see any choices here, it likely means the game doesn't currently offer a public beta. After selecting the beta, simply close the Properties window. There's no separate save button. Steam applies your choice automatically. As soon as you close that window, Steam will begin preparing the beta files. Now, wait for the update to finish. You'll notice the game's status change in your library as Steam downloads or reconfigures the necessary data. Depending on the size of the beta and your connection speed, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to much longer. Let it complete before you try to run the game. When the update is done, you're ready to launch. Click Play from the game's library page. The game will start in the beta mode you selected, and you might see version notes, new features, or different menus compared to the normal build. That's it. You've opted into the beta and opened your Steam game in beta mode. Enjoy testing the latest features. And remember that you can always return to this same Betas tab later if you want to use a different build.